हेलो दोस्तों, इस वीडियो में हम लोग बातें करने वाले हैं विलियम शेक्सपियर के बारे में, उनसे जुड़े हुए कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चनों के बारे में। जी हाँ दोस्तों, तो आइए हम लोग वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है द फर्स्ट सीन ऑफ मैकबेथ इज लेड ऑन ए डेजर्ट प्लेस। दूसरा क्वेश्चन है द स्काई इन द फर्स्ट सीन ऑफ द प्ले इज मार्क्ड बाई थंडर एंड लाइटिंग। तीसरा क्वेश्चन है हु हैव द थ्री बीचेज टू मीट विथ इन द प्ले मैकबेथ बाय शेक्सपियर। इसका आंसर है मैकबेथ एंड बैंको। चौथा क्वेश्चन है किंग डंकन इज द किंग ऑफ स्कॉटलैंड। पांचवा क्वेश्चन है इन मैकबेथ मेलकॉम एंड डोनल बेन आर द सन्स ऑफ किंग डंकन। छठवा क्वेश्चन है देयर इज नो आर्ट टू फाइंड द माइंड्स contraction in the face. Who says this? Answer है डक्कन। Who makes the following statement? Start hide your fires, let not light see my black and deep desires. इसका आंसर है मैकबेथ। आठवां क्वेश्चन है when Macbeth asks the three witches to tell him more about his future, they vanish. इसका आंसर है into the air। नौवां क्वेश्चन है फेयर एंड नोबेल hostess we are your guest tonight. This statement is made by Duncan. Was the Pope drunk? Wherein you dressed yourself? Who said this and to whom in Macbeth? इसका आंसर है लेडी मैकबेथ टू हर हस्बैंड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 है हुज एलास व्हाट इज योर हाउस। हु सेड दिस? इसका आंसर है लेडी मैकबेथ। अगला क्वेश्चन हु सेड दिस? हैड ही नॉट रिसेंबल माई फादर एज ही स्लेप्ट आई हैड डन इट। इसका आंसर है लेडी मैकबेथ। अबे एंड मार्क द टाइम विथ फॉरेस्ट सो फॉल्स फेस मस्ट हाइड व्हाट द फॉल्स हार्ट दस नो। दिस स्टेटमेंट इज मेड बाई। इसका आंसर लेडी मैकबेथ टू मैकबेथ। अगला क्वेश्चन है हु सेड दिस? दाउ हास्ट इट नाउ किंग काउडर ग्लैमिस ऑल एज द बियर्ड वुमेन प्रामिड एंड आई फियर। इसका आंसर है बैंको। 15वां क्वेश्चन है शेक्सपियर ट्रेजेडी रोमियो एंड जूलियस सीजर वे कंपोज इन द ईयर 1592 और 1608। शेक्सपियर्स टीचर्स एंडोनिकस वाज पब्लिश बिटवीन 1593-1594। अगला क्वेश्चन है शेक्सपियर वाज कॉल्ड वारविकशायर व्हिच मीन्स द हार्ट ऑफ इंग्लैंड। Susanna was born to Shakespeare's wife after 6 months of the marriage. Shakespeare's wife was 8 years older to him. Shakespeare left Stratford for London in the year 1585. Shakespeare was born on or about April 1564. William Shakespeare died in the year 1616. The name of Shakespeare's wife was हाथवे। शेक्सपियर्स मैरिज टुक प्लेस इन द ईयर नवंबर 1582। शेक्सपियर्स यंगर डाटर जूथी वाज मैरिड ऑन फरवरी 10, 1616 ईस्वी में। शेक्सपियर्स ट्वेंस बियर बेप्टाइज्ड ऑन फरवरी 2, 1585। शेक्सपियर ड्रामेटिक कैरियर स्टैंड ओवर ये पीरियड ऑफ 20 ईयर्स। शेक्सपियर रोट 154 सॉनेट्स। Who informs Macbeth of Banquo murder and Florence escape? One of the murderers. What is Duncan's relation to Macomb and Donald Bain? Sons. What is the place where those witches decide to meet again in? इसका आंसर है ये हीट। Who was sent by Duncan to receive Macbeth and bring him into his presence? इसका आंसर है रास एंड अंग्यूज। What happened when Macbeth is cancelled? What happens when Macbeth has cancelled his plan to murder Duncan? Lady Macbeth inspires him to be manly. In her sleep, walking Lady Macbeth reveal. इसका आंसर है her involvement and remorse for the murder. Macbeth is a tragedy written by Shakespeare. In the sleepwalking scene, Lady Macbeth walks while he is fast asleep. I am settled and bent up is corporal agent to this terrible feat. This statement is made by Macbeth. What hallucination does Macbeth see near Duncan's chamber before he murders Duncan? A dagger. Who makes the following statement? It is the bloody business which informs thus, so mine eyes. Answer है Macbeth. Who said this? Had he not resembled my father as he slept, I had done it. Lady Macbeth. Whom does the pronoun he referred to in the following? While I treat, he leaves words to the heat of deed to cold breath give. Macbeth. What supernatural beings enter the opening scene of Macbeth Beaches? Stars you hit your fires, says Macbeth. Here he prays the stars to well the light. It is a peerless kingsman, says Duncan. Who is the kingsman? The kingsman is a Macbeth. Whom does Macbeth decide to visit after the appearance of Banquo's ghost? The Beard sisters. Who is angry with the three beaches on the heat? He hates the rule of the beaches. Macbeth tells his wife that after Duncan's murder, he had heard a voice cry, Glamis had murdered sleep and therefore cowed. She sleep no more. Macbeth shall sleep no more. The voice heard is that of Macbeth's own conscience, who is crowned after Duncan's murder. Being named, Macbeth goes to the scene of crowned. Macbeth said to his wife, there is comfort yet. They are assailable. Banquo and Fleance, his son. In the play Macbeth, Cyrano is king of Norway, with which theatre Shakespeare was not associated. The Rose Sonnet is a poem comprising of lines 14. Which drama is not written by William Shakespeare? Edward II. The Comedy of Errors was written by Shakespeare. Which of the drama is written by Shakespeare? Taming of Shrew. Which is of the following is Shakespeare's tragedy? Macbeth. Which of the following is Shakespeare's comedy? A Midsummer Night's Dream. Shakespeare's which play is possibly unfinished? Henry VIII or The Last Cardinal. Who says Shakespeare had no hero, only heroine? Ruskin. The title of Love's Labour Lost is a lyrical farce. Bastard appear in King John. The art of our necessities is restraint that can make a vile things precious. Who said this word? King Lear. Viola is character in Twelfth Night. The name of Antony's wife is Phalbia. Prospero is character in The Tempest. Ego is the villain in Othello. Fleance was the son of Banquo. Shakespeare wrote Satyrs plays. The Battle of Actium took place in Antony's and Cleopatra. Titania is character in A Midsummer Night's Dream. The Tempest is written in the form of marks. Desdemona is character in Othello. Gonzago is the character in The Tempest. If music be the food of love, play it on. These lines are from Twelfth Night. Who asks for a pound of flesh? Shylock. King Duncan was Macbeth's cousin. The second period of Elizabethan drama dominated by university beats. Shakespeare's heroes are royal kings. The Two Gentlemen of Verona is a comedy. Who sings the song Under the Green Wood Tree? Amiens. Beauty provokes thieves sooner than gold. This lines is from As You Like It. Uneasy lies the head that bears a crown. This line in from Henry IV Part 2. Brevity is the soul of wit. This is from Hamlet. The better part of Blair is discretion. This lines from Henry IV Part 1. All the world's a stage. Who said this word? Jacques. In As You Like It, who speaks the epilogue? Rosalind. I am sure cares an enemy to life. This line is from Twelfth Night. Sweets are the uses of adversity. Where does this line come from? As You Like It. I know the devil himself will not eat a woman. I know that a woman is dish of the gods. If the devil dress her not, who say these words? Crown. The stroke of death is a lover's pinch which heart up and it desired. Cleopatra. Clarity is never more admired than by the negligent. Who said this? Cleopatra. I will kiss thy lips, happy some poison, yet doth hang on them, to make me die with a restorative. Who said this? Juliet. Shakespeare's contemporary was Ben Jonson. I am a fool to weep at what I am glad of. Who said this sentence? Miranda. The Tempest contains only 2068 line. One that loved not wisely but too well. Who said these words? Othello. Good worms have borne bad son. Miranda. Who is Sycorax in The Tempest? Mother of Caliban. Baptista is the wife of Zongago. Is it a word to hide virtues in? Who said this? Sir Toby. My mother, father and mother is ma'am, and wife man, and wife is one place. So my mother, whom did Hamlet speak here? King Claudius. We know what we are, but know not what we may be. Who speaks this? Ophelia. There is divinity that Shakespeare in whose says Hamlet, better a witty fool than a foolish wit. Who said this? First, youths a step will not endure. Who says? First, youth is brought more oft than begged or borrowed. Who said this? Olivia. The younger rises when the old doth fall. Who said this? Cordelia. A Midsummer Night's Dream was to be performed on the night of Midsummer Day, June 4. It is St. John's Day. A Midsummer Night's Dream was to be performed on the night of Midsummer Day, June 4. St. John's Day. Who is the king of fairies in A Midsummer Night's Dream? Oberon. Mustard seed in A Midsummer Night's Dream is a fairy. The Winter's Tales has no rhyme. In Hamlet, there are 3924 lines. The title of Love's Labour Lost is from Floria's First Fruits, which is said to be Shakespeare's first tragedy. Titus Andronicus, whose play was sparked off by the gunpowder plot. Macbeth. Since brass nor stone nor earth nor boundless sea, but sad morality ever was their power. These lines are from Shakespeare's sonnet number 65. Chorus was introduced by Shakespeare in King Henry V. The story As You Like It has been taken from Lodge's Russell Lind. Who among the following was born first of all? William Shakespeare. Familiar in his mouth as household word. These words are from Henry V. The Dark Lady appears in the sonnet of William Shakespeare. Love shot is good, but given unshot is better. Who made this statement in the 12th night? Olivia. Who makes the statement, some are born great, some achieve greatness, and some have greatness thrust upon them in 12th night? Malvolio. The play 12th night ends with happy note. What is the final note? And we will strive to please you every day. If you care to love, keep yourself away. If you care to love, keep yourself always smiling. This is the instruction incorporated in a letter manipulated by Maria. Journey ends in lovers meeting. Who makes this statement? Clown. What is meant by the statement, I am a dog at a catch in the 12th night, ye quick as a dog in singing? Who brings the challenge later in the 12th night? Sir Andrew brings later in the 12th night. The challenge later in the 12th night is written on behalf of Sir Andrew. Those shall be both the plaintiff and the judge of time own cause. Who made this statement in 12th night? Olivia. Malvolio is introduction in the letter draped Maria. Yellow stocking and cross instructed in the letter draped by Maria. Garters and cross stocking. The opening scene of the 12th night opens at the Duke's palace. What letters are inscribed in the letter, the meaning of which is not clear to Malvolio in the 12th night? MOAI. What is love? This not here after present mirth has present laughter. Who sings this song in the 12th night? Crown. Who draws a plan to drop a love letter in the hand writing of Olivia Maria? The word Taurus appearing in 12th night denote none of these. What is meant by the word Gilliard used in 12th night? A lovely dance. Lady, you are the cruelest. She is alive. If you led these grasses to the grave. Olivia. What is meant by the term Jenny used in the 12th night? As a servant or attendant of the professional clown. What do you understand by the word yes blood used in the 12th night? God's blood. Misery acquaints a man with strange bad follows. Tiriculu in Tempest. Shakespeare was a poet and dramatist. The first life of Shakespeare was published in 1790. Stratford is a charming title village in Warwickshire. Those are pearls that bear his eyes. This line appeared in The Tempest. I am a fool to weep at what I am glad of. Name of speaker. Miranda. Of the following which is forceful of boisterous fun and laughter? Love's labor last. Who was Shakespeare's contemporary? Ben Jonson. One that loved not wisely but too well. Name of the speaker. Othello. In the Tempest, who is Sycorax? Mother of Caliban. Name of the swan song of Shakespeare. The Tempest. Oedipus appear in Hamlet. Thus conscience does make coward of us all. This was said by Hamlet. Orsino is Twelfth Night is the Duke of Illyria. I'll be revenged the whole pack of youth. Malvolio, fit to govern, no, not to live. This was said by Macduff in Macbeth. Ye little water clears up to this ditch. How easy is it then? Lady Macbeth. All the world's stage. Who said this word? Jacks. For the appeal oft proclaims the man Hamlet. I am sure cares an enemy to life. 12th Night. Uneasy lies the head that bears a crown. This line occurred in Henry IV Part 2. Who speak the epilogue as you like it? Rosalind. Beauty provokes thieves sooner than gold, as you like. Ye play spark gunpowder. Macbeth, who is said to be liquor tragedy. Richard III. Who dropped the love letter?